Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So today we will learn standard form 2.2. Standard form is a way to write a single number in the form a multiply 10 to the power of n. Okay. We write a single number in this form. And a must less, 1 must less and equal than a and less than 10. So the number A can be 1, 2, 3 until 9. Can be decimal number also. Okay, including decimal number. Okay, this is standard form. Example 5. Example 5. Write the following single numbers in standard form. We have 28. Okay. We want the value of A from 1 until 9 only. So we change 28 become 2.8. Okay, this is 2.8. 2.8 to become 28, we need to multiply with 10. Okay, if we multiply 10, the number will become 28. So the standard form is 2.8 multiply 10. Okay, this is A. For B, the question is 280. Write in standard form. To write in standard form, then the value of A should be between 1 until 9. 9.9. Okay, can be 9.9 until 9.9. So 280, okay, we can change to 2.80 multiply. We need to multiply with 100 to get 280. So multiply 100. How we know 100? Because if we move the decimal 2 times, so we get 280. So 2 times means 20. 20 means 100. So the standard form is 2.8 multiply 10 to the power of 2. This is the standard form. Okay, next. Hi, Hari. C. Two 2805.3. Okay, we need to change to standard form. Place value is 1000. So this is 1000. So we know we multiply by 1000. Okay, because the place value of 2 is 1000. So A is 2.8053. The number after 2 we copy 8053, but the decimal is after 2. So 2.8053 multiply 1000. Multiply 1000 because if we multiply 1, 2, 3, so 3 times we move the decimal point. So if we move 3 times for decimal point, the number will become from the original question. Okay, we'll same with the original question. So therefore, final answer 2.8053 multiply 10 to the power of 3. Okay, I give another example. Let's say 4023.4. Okay, so this is 1000. The number of 4, the first number is 1000. 1000. So we multiply 1000. Okay. And here become 4.0234. So this is equal to 4.0234 multiply 10 to the power of 3. Okay, another example. E. 79.2. 7. Number 7, the first number. We look at the first number. Okay, the place value is 10. So we multiply 10. And the value of A becomes 7.92. 7.92. So multiply 10. So this is the final answer lah. 7.92 multiply 10. Okay, next. F. If I have 3342.1. Okay. We look at the first number 3. Okay, we look at the first number 3. So what is the place value? Apa nilai tempat untuk 3 yang pertama tu? Mesti tengok first number. So kalau sini tens, sorry, this is 1, sa, 1, 10, puluh, ratus, ribu. Ini adalah 10,000. So we multiply 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Next. What is the value of A? 3. Okay. This is the first number. 3.34321. Okay. So the standard form is 3.34321 multiply 10 to the power of how many 0? 4. So 10 to the power of 4. Last question, G, for example 5. 100.9. So change to standard form. This is 100. Okay, the place value for 1, we look at the first number. Place value for 1 is 100. Ini tukarlah, 200. Okay, place value for 2 is 100. So we multiply with 100. And the number A, the value of A is 2.009. Okay, 2.009. So the final answer in the standard form, 2.009 multiply 10 to the power of 2. Okay, and understand class for example 5? Do you understand for example 5? Okay, good. Thank you. Dayanti. Okay, next. Example 6. Write the following decimal in standard form. A. 0.325. Okay. We find A. What is A? A is the number from 1 until 9.9. Okay, including decimal number. So, we look at the first number after decimal point. So, this is 3. Okay, the first digit. And place value for 3 is 110. So, this is 3.25 multiply 1/10. Okay, this is for decimal. This is for decimal. Multiply 1/10. When we multiply 1/10 means we move the decimal point to the left. After we move to the left, we will get the same value like question. Okay, same value with question. So now 3.25 multiply 1 over 10. So now you learn indices. 3.25 multiply. This is positive index number. Okay, we change to negative index number. 10 to the power of negative 1. Okay, this is positive index number. We change to negative index number. Next, B. 0.00325. Okay, we look at the first number. The first number is 3. Okay, not including 0, 3. So what is the place value for 3? The place value for 3 is 1000. Okay, sebab nombor ketiga selepas titik perpuluhan. So 1000. 1 over 1000. So here is 3.25. And here 3.25 multiply 1 over 10 to the power of 3. This is positive indices. 3.25 multiply 10 to the power of negative 3. Negative indices. Next, C. 0.03025. Okay. We line number 3. Okay, we line number 3. So this is the place value for number 3 is 100. So 1 over 100. Macam mana tahu 100 ni? Tengok. Berapa nombor selepas titik perpuluhan ni? 3 nombor yang keberapa? Okay, selepas decimal point ni, 3 ini nombor yang keberapa? Yang kedua. So mesti ada 2 kosong. Okay, bila decimal, dia akan jadi 1 over. What is the value of A? This is 3.025. 3.025. So 3.025 multiply 1 over 100 is 10 to the power of 2. So 3.025 multiply 10 to the power of negative 2. That is for C. Next, D. 0.00305. Look at number. We line at number 3. And multiply 1 over. Okay, tengok 3 nombor yang keberapa. 3 ni nombor yang ketiga selepas decimal point. Okay, 3 is the third number after decimal point. So 1 over ada 3 kosong. Okay. Then what is the value of A? 3.005. And here 3.005 multiply 1 over 10 to the power of 3. So 3.005 multiply 10 to the power of negative 3. Actually, you can skip this method. Okay. You can straight away write the answer. E. Let's say 0.421. So 4. Okay. Kalau saya gerakkan titik perpuluhan ke kanan ni. Berapa kali gerak? So this is a 4.21 multiply 10 to the power of berapa kali gerak? 1. Tapi ini daripada decimal. So mesti ada negatif. Macam ni pun boleh. F. 0.004 to 5. So kita nak until number 4. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So the number for A is a 4.25. Multiply 10 to the power of 3. But this is from decimal number. Must have negative. Also can. Next, G. 0.000513. So we want until number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, until 5. At the right, here, until here, the decimal point we move. So this is 5.13 multiply 10 to the power of, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 just now, 4. From decimal number, so must have negative. Next, H. 0.000063. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6.3 multiply 10 to the power of 5. Wrong. If you leave your answer like this, wrong, because this is from decimal. So must have negative. Okay. So that is example 6. Understand, class? To change standard, to get standard form, to write standard form from decimal number. Understand, class? Okay. Thank you, Inky. Next, example 7. Write 4.17 multiply 10 to the power of 5 as a single number. Okay. This is 4.17 multiply. Single number. So 5. 10 to the power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now multiply 100,000. This is 417. Dari sini, okay, dari 4 point tadi sini point dia. Kita nak gerak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kali kosong. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ini kita letak kosong. Tengah-tengah dia. So, the final answer is 417000. That is the answer. Okay. Next. Another question. Another example. 2.18 multiply 10 to the power of 2. So this is 2.18 multiply 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So we change to single number. Okay, 2 times. This is 218. Final answer is 218. Move to the right. Multiply, we move to the right. Okay, next. 3.734 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay. 3734. This is the number. Okay, the decimal point, original decimal point here. Okay, we move 4 times because 10 to the power of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of multiplication, so we move to the right. And here we add 0. So this is 37340. That is the final answer. Next. 0. This is from standard form. 5.1 multiply 10 to the power of 3. This is 5, 1. The decimal start from here after 5. So we move to the right because multiplication. Okay, move to the right. Okay, move to the right. How many times? 3 times because 10 to the power of 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the decimal stop here. And here become 0, 0. Final answer 5100. 5100. Okay, any question? Example 7. Any question? Do you understand example 7?
No, no.
Okay. Now, this is example 7. Standard form with positive indices. Change to single number. Example 8. Standard form with negative index number. This is negative index number. We want to change to single number as a single number. So 8.063. This is multiply with 1 over 10 to the power of 5. Okay. And 8.063. This is multiply 1 over 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I combine, I solve. 1 we multiply 8.063 over 100,000. This is division. Okay, divide. When divide, the decimal number, when divide, the decimal number will move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the decimal number here. This is become 0, 0, 0, 0. And here 0. So what is the final answer? 0.0000. And here we copy 8063. Okay. Another example. 4.125. Multiply 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay. We know this is 4.125. Multiply 1 over 10 to the power of 3. 4.125 multiply 1 over 1000. We combine, become 4.125 over 1000. This is division. When division, divide, divide. So the decimal move to the left. Okay, move to the left. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is decimal number. So the answer become, here is 0, 0, and here 0. The answer will become 0.004125. Okay, next. Another example. 3. multiply 10 to the power of negative 2. Okay. This is whole number. Where is the decimal point for the whole number? Dia sebenarnya di sini. Dia punya decimal sebenarnya di sini. After 3. Okay, 3.0 sebenarnya. Okay, this is equal to 3. So the decimal here. So we move to the left. Multiply negative indices to the left. So left. The answer become here 0 and here also 0. So you write 0.03. Ini cara lain. Tak nak guna cara panjang ini. Okay, you tak nak guna cara ini. You boleh guna cara yang saya buat ni. If multiply with negative number, multiply with negative indices, move to the left. Because actually this is division. Okay, when multiply with negative indices, the decimal point will move to the left. If multiply with positive indices, the decimal point will move to the right. Okay. If multiply with positive indices, the decimal point will move to the right. If multiply with negative indices, the decimal point will move to the left. Okay, another example. 2.43 multiply 10 to the power of negative 1. So this is 2.43. This is original question. Times negative indices. So move to the left. 1 point. So become, this is the new decimal point. So this is 0, become 0.243. Okay. This is the new. Next. 4.5 multiply 10 to the power of negative 6. So the original question is 4.5. Move to the left. The decimal will move to the left because multiply with negative indices. So how many times we need to move? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is point. And how to write the final answer? So here before decimal must have 0. Point. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And final answer for 5. One, two, three, four, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next. 3.73 multiply 10 to the power of negative 5. So dari sini, saya tak buat dah baris pertama. Saya terus saja dari soalan. So 3.75, 73. Multiply negative indices. So move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So di sini decimal number saya. So saya akan tulis 0. Okay, before decimal must 0. So 0 point. So how many 0 after decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 7, 3. Okay, next. If I have 5, multiply 10 to the power of a negative 3. So 5. Where is the decimal point? The decimal point for 5 is at the right hand side. Okay, so 5. Move to the left because multiply with negative indices. So move to the left how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is the new decimal point. So 0 point, okay, point. So how many 0 after decimal point? 1, 2. So 1, 2, and 5. So that is the final answer. Understand, class? Okay, next. Example 9. Determine 3050 terabytes in bytes. State the answer in standard form. Okay, terabyte in byte. Okay, tera. What is the meaning by tera? Ini nanti buat satu nota mengenai tera ni. Bulletin. Page 38. Bulletin. Salin ni Dia ada beri 1 tera equal to how many zero? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is 1 tera. 1 nano, 0.123, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 1. Yang ini minta salin Page 38, bulletin. 1 tera and 1 nano. So the question asks you 3050 terabyte. So tera means multiply 10 to the power of how many zero just now? 12. So multiply 10 to the power of 12. So now in standard form, we want in standard form. So if standard form, we just take one value only, 3. So this is 3.050 multiply. 3 is, the place value for 3 is 1000. So multiply 1000. Okay, 3, the place value for 3 is 1000. So multiply 1000. Multiply 10 to the power of 12. So now 3.050 multiply 10 to the power of 3 multiply 10 to the power of 12. Now this is in indices. When the base are same, so the power will add. So 10 to the power of 3 plus 12 is 15. And this is byte, the unit byte. Okay. So tera multiply 10 to the power of 12. Now here 3050 we change in standard form. So 3.050 multiply, the place value for 3 is 1000. So multiply 1000. Then here multiply 10 to the power of 12. Then we simplify. 1000 is 10 to the power of 3. Multiply 10 to the power of 12. When we multiply the same base, the index we will plus. So we get 15. Next, example 10. Determine 0.0057 nanometer. State your answer. Determine 0.0057 nanometer in meter. State your answer in standard form. Okay, the unit must be meter, the final answer. For the final answer, the unit must be meter. So what is the meaning by nano? Just now. 0.0057 nano. So multiply 10 to the power of nano, because this is decimal. When decimal, the indices will be negative. Okay, so negative. How many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So until here, we move the decimal until here, until get 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 10 to the power of negative 9. Okay. Now, want the answer in standard form. We change 0.0057 in standard form. This is 5. So 5.7 multiply 10 to the power of, this is decimal, so must have negative. Number 5, the number 5 is at 1, 2, 3. So negative 3. 5 ini angka ketiga selepas titik perpuluhan. So sini 3. Negative because of decimal. Multiply 10 to the power of negative 9. Then we plus, because this is indices. 10 to the power of negative 3 plus minus minus. So minus 9. Final answer 5.7 multiply 10 to the power of negative 12. Okay class, do you understand? Understand class? Okay, good. So I don't want to go example 11. Example 11 we will discuss on Friday. Okay, example 11 we will discuss on Friday. Your homework, please complete this table. Okay, please copy and complete this table. Page 39. Okay, page 39. This table and mine test 2.2a. Mine test 2.2a. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class. Any question? Any question? Any question? No. Okay, no question. Okay, thank you. Thank you, class. Bye. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.